And this is the progress of this book that I'm inscribing for the government. It's the municipal government of Toronto. And this is for a dignitary coming to visit our city, who is the Governor General of Canada. And I'm still not done, but I'm showing you the progress of it. So here's some earlier pages that I've done in the book. And it's a real pleasure and an honor for me to do this for the city, the municipal government of Ontario. The municipal government of Toronto. And this took place in 2017. This was a lot of work. That's all I painted all of that. That's the crest for the Governor General of Julie Payette. And that was in 2018. That was the last time I did the book until yesterday, for the upcoming visit that's happening tomorrow. So that's for the new Governor General, Mary May Simon. This is Inuktitut, her language. And then of course we have English and French. And the visit's tomorrow. They're picking up the book today, so I just wanted to capture the work that I did finish doing in this book with all of you. And I hope you enjoyed that little glimpse of a very treasured book of the city that I have in my possession right now, that I wanted to show all the wonderful work I've done in here so far, and other calligraphers too.